Marty!
What's up, Doc?
Let's go on an adventure.
Sure, I don't got anything going on.
Okay. Let's see. Ancient Greece. Oh, here we go. Okay, so let's go visit the dinosaurs, and then we'll jump to the year 3000.
All right, let's do it. Now we're looking tubular. New model?
It's the exact same thing.
Are you sure?
I do not remember dinosaurs being plastic.
I don't think this is the real thing.
Alright, we better try again.
Wow, now this is the real thing.
Let's go back to the future. Great Scott!
What happened, Doc?
We ran out of plutonium.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
I have an idea.
A high school?
Yeah, it's the most radical place on Earth.
What is this?
5 country.
Where is everybody?
Up for another adventure?
Yep.
Don't need money, don't take fame, don't need no credit card to ride this train. It's strong and it's sudden and it's cruel sometimes, but it might just save your.
Are you ready?
Yep. They're locked. Huh.
Uh-oh.
Listen to the doctor. These are the right doors.